Good morning, everyone. So today I am going to show you how to curve text in Cricut Design Space. So first you're going to want to come over to the left-hand side and click on text. So we'll click on that. If you don't know which font you would like for your text, you'll want to come up here and click on this arrow right here, and the fonts will come up. So you can just kind of scroll down and see what the fonts look like. I already know which font I'm going to use, so I'm going to start to type that in. Once you start to type that in, if you know what it's called, they'll start to come up. So I'll click on this. Next, you're going to want to come down here into this text box. Click in the text box and type out what you would like your wording to say. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once your saying is done, you'll want to come up here where letter space is to bring the letters together if these letters are too spaced out. I personally, for this font, want to bring the letters in closer. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to click on the arrow down to bring them closer. And for this, it's just kind of your preference, however you would like the letters to look, the font to look. It's up to you. I think I'm gonna stay right here. So here is the saying that I'm going to be using for this project. And I'm going to come down here and minimize the screen of the design space so that, or the area, so that you can see a little bit better. So here's what's going to be put on. I'm making a Lazy Susan. So I'm going to put this on the outside or on the outer part of it. So I'll bring this down just a little bit. So now you'll want to come up to the top where it says curve. And there's an arrow here. You're going to want to click on that curve. But you'll need to know how you want the letters to be curved. If you click towards the right, the letters will go, as you can see towards the bottom, the letters will go this way. Okay, so here they're going that way. Because this is for a Lazy Susan, and as you turn it, I want to be able to read the letters. So for this project, I'm actually going to go this way. So I'll just kind of arrow over to the left. And if you go all the way to the end, that will close the circle. So the circle is closed now. If you don't want it closed all the way, or let's say you're doing something and you only wanted half circled, or this is where you would change that up right here. So again, I'm going to go all the way to the end because I want that to close up. Okay, so then here, once you're finished with that, make sure you measure whatever it is that you're putting this on so that it's the correct measurements and it fits correctly. I am going to do mine at 11 and a half. So then you can size it up here. So I'm just going to arrow down to 11.5. And there you have it. You have now curved your text in Cricut Design Space.